Hey there, recently I did a video on Hypersmooth on the GoPro Hero 11 and I had a comment from Adam Bolt who wanted me to sort of do some testing using Hypersmooth, panning left to right and up and down. So Adam, and for everyone else who's interested, let's check out Hypersmooth in those horizontal and vertical planes. Some folks have noticed choppy footage when panning using the high setting or boost. This is because the GoPro's stabilization is trying to correct what it recognizes as shaky movement of your camera. If this happens, try dropping your stabilization to the Hypersmooth on setting and your problem should be resolved. Alternatively, GoPro has issued firmware updates for this issue on previous versions of their camera. So keep an eye on the GoPro app for updates and always make sure you have the latest firmware version on your GoPro camera. Well, there you go. Thanks for your question, Adam. If you want to learn more about how to use your GoPro, check out my YouTube channel, Adventure Tim.